Eccrine Porocarcinoma is also known as malignant eccrine poroma. These tumours occur in the over 60s with an equal number of males to females being affected. They tend to affect the lower legs and the feet, and they usually arise in an eccrine poroma. Clinically, they present as nodules, plaques, or ulcerated tumours, and they may cause multiple cutaneous metastases, and in 20 to 30% of cases there are visceral metastases. And this nodular ulcerated lesion is a good example of an eccrine porocarcinoma. Histologically, benign poroma cells may be seen adjacent to the tumour. The nuclei of the tumour cells are large, irregular, hyperchromatic, and sometimes multinucleated, and the tumour cells may be limited to the epidermis or extend into the dermis, and the epidermis may be acanthotic. And eccrine porocarcinomas have a tendency to spread through the lymphatics, causing skin metastases, when nests of tumour cells will be seen in the epidermis and dermis. Here is a low power view of an eccrine porocarcinoma. On higher power you can see irregular tongues of tumour cells infiltrating the dermis. And here you can see the squamoid appearance of the cells with pleomorphic nuclei and prominent nucleoli.